Hello everybody, we are back again with another tech related video and this time it's nothing about but we are going to talk about Google Lens. हम Google Lens के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। आप कैसे you can install a Google Lens in your smartphone और आप कैसे उसको use भी कर सकते हैं. This is a kind of a English video that I am going to try once for the first time in our channel. It will be almost combined of Hindi और English का हम combination से बात करेंगे. It becomes more easy to understand, nothing else. So let's get started. मैं सबसे पहले आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि गूगल लेंस है क्या. गूगल लेंस was actually launched in 2017 एक इवेंट में which is known as an I/O इवेंट और गूगल का एंड वो एक इस तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर बेस्ड लर्निंग ऐप है जिससे योर फोन कैन बिकम रियली वेरी स्मार्ट. इससे क्या होता है कि जब भी आप कोई फोटो क्लिक करते हो आइदर इट बी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट या लैंडमार्क या कोई भी चीज का, तो उस फोटो को डिटेक्ट करके समझने की क्षमता, द कैपेबिलिटी इज इन गूगल लेंस. सो व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस इज व्हेनेवर यू क्लिक फॉर एग्जांपल, आई विल शो यू एग्जांपल हियर. इफ यू आर क्लिकिंग अ फोटो ऑफ अ फ्लावर, राइट, so what a Google Lens will do is it will detect a flower's photo and will learn that how and what this flower is. और फिर वो आपको बताएगा कि फ्लावर कहाँ पे उगते हैं, इस फ्लावर का नाम क्या है, आप शायद इसे कहाँ बाय कर सकते हैं. और ये तो सिर्फ एक आपको एग्जांपल दिखाया, मैं आपको आगे सारे एग्जांपल दिखाऊंगा और ये भी दिखाऊंगा that how you can use this in your smartphone, either be it iOS phone or an Android phone. You just have to download an app which is named as Google Photos and will show that how it works actually in the photos. So let's get started and know that how you can install and use the software.
So what you have to do is you can just go to your phone and open a Play Store, and after that you have to just search a Google Photos app, and the moment you get it, I have just installed, so I am getting an open option, so I am just going to open it and directly go into the app. So now I'll show you that how it actually scans the photos. There is a photo of a temple. I don't know that what temple it is. I'll use Google Lens to detect. So now see that what it will do. The last second icon was of Google Lens, so you have to just click there by going into the photo. Yes, so you'll get to know that this temple is a Hare Krishna Mandir. The location, the address, then everything else you'll get on the screen. आपको सीधा screen पे मिल जाएगा. This is a Google Lens thing. आप इसको सीधा Google भी कर सकते हो in your Chrome browser. So this all inbuilt in your Google Photos app. Remember, you just have to download a Google Photo app. I'll also show that how it detects the words actually from images. Yes, see, it detects the words, whatever it is written, it will detect. You can just mail this copy and get everything written. Yeah, see how it shows that you can also get different meanings of the different words that are important. So that's it.